Do you know many people are having trouble with the orange car and key warning light? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Understand warning lights. Understand that the warning lights on your Toyota Camry indicate malfunctions in the vehicle systems. Step 2. Identify brake warning. The image of an orange car and key warns of a potential brake system issue. Step 3. Ensure vehicle safety. Ensure the safety of the vehicle and its occupants if this warning light appears. Step 4. Check brake system. Address the issue by ensuring that the brake system is properly functioning. Step 5. Drive if safe. Continue driving only if the brake system is confirmed to be safe. By following these steps, you should be able to address the orange car and key warning light on your Toyota Camry 2010. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.